Hello and welcome. My name is Jeannie Hendricks. I'm a registered dietitian with Kaiser Permanente's Lifestyle Medicine program. In today's video, I'm going to bring you into my kitchen and show you how to make a decadent chocolate whole food plant-based dessert that not only tastes amazing, but it's full of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber. All right, let's get started. Start off by using 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm going to sift the cocoa powder here to reduce clumps so that our pudding can be really smooth. Using unsweetened cocoa powder here will not only have a chocolatey decadent taste, but because it's unsweetened, you have the ability to add sweetness based on your individual needs and taste preferences. Next up, I'm going to be adding the sweetness, and I'm going to use maple syrup. This is a natural source of sweetness, and it's the least processed option. Other natural, low processed options would include date syrup and honey, but I find the maple syrup lends the best to this recipe. Next, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This is optional, but I find it does really elevate the flavor of this pudding. Then I'm going to add 1 pinch of sea salt, and that actually helps balance and bring out the sweetness. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'm going to whisk this to combine into a little bit of a paste just to start reducing clumps as I add in my next thing, which is my non-dairy milk. I'm going to start incrementally adding my non-dairy milk option. I'm using soy milk here because I really like that it provides a plant-based protein source, and it also helps give this pudding a very nice mouthfeel. But you can use almond or oat-based milk based on your own preference. We're adding 2.5 cups total to this recipe, and again, I'm doing it slowly, step by step, so that I avoid clumping. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of chia seeds. I'm using 1/4 of a cup measuring. That's why I'm using 2 scoops. And we're going to blend this. And this is an optional step that I like to do to create an even creamier, smooth consistency in my pudding. The chia seeds are really the nutritional star of this recipe. They're going to provide plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy omega-3 fatty acids for brain health, heart health, and to reduce inflammation. Next, I'm going to add the blended chia seeds into my chocolatey milk mixture and make sure to stir it very, very well. And refrigerate for at least an hour, but could be overnight until you've achieved your pudding-like consistency. It might also be helpful to take it out about 30 to 45 minutes from when you've put it in the refrigerator to give it a stir. It also will allow you to see if you need to add maybe a little bit more milk to loosen it up. Certainly eat this 100% as is, but sometimes it's fun to make a little parfait. So I layer the chia pudding with some sliced bananas and cocoa nibs and then drizzle it with a little almond butter on top. So decadent. And there you have it, a nutritious and decadent dessert that you can make in minutes with ingredients that you can easily keep on hand. Having recipes like this in your toolbox are going to help you stay successful on your whole food plant-based journey. I hope you enjoy.